Two features that I love about this machine is speed and power. Speed to get from point A to point B, and power to be able to pick up our heavy material.
We found that CAT adds a lot of extras that other machines either charge extra for options or don't even offer.
It doesn't shatter my spine like a lot of them do. A lot of them are so rigid that it hurts just to hit bumps, and we hit plenty of bumps here, so I find it more comfortable.
My guys all love it. They say their backs don't bother them, they have more leg room, they're not cramping up, they don't get fatigued, they can work better, work harder, work longer.
Repeat customer. We're super happy with what we had. We go to trade in the old equipment, we get top dollar value, it holds together, we don't have to worry about the reliability.